Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am your Kiran ma'am, and today in our language space English, we will learn about O sound words as we already learned about A, E, and I sound words. Do you know, kids, what is the sound of O? Yes, the sound of O is O. So kids, first we will learn to read O sound words from our English classwork book page number 104. Kids, first we will write today's date, and today's date is 1/3/13-1-2121, 13th January 2021. O sound words. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog is a domestic animal. We see dogs on street, and some humans like to keep dog as their pet. They are best friends of human beings. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. Kids, this pot is a container in which flowers and other plants are cultivated and displayed. इस पॉट में हम लोग प्लांट्स ग्रो करते हैं और हमारे घर में भी रखते हैं. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. This is a boy. Boy means लड़का. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Top means लट्टू और जिससे हम सब खेलते भी हैं. M-O-P, mop. M-O-P, mop. Kids, mop is a tool with a long handle and a bunch of thick strings or soft material at the end, which is used for cleaning floors. R-O-D, rod. R-O-D, rod. Kids, this is a fishing rod and it is a long pole made of wood, plastic, etc. with a line attached to it and a hook at the end of the line, which is used for catching fishes. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. Log is a thick piece of tree trunk or branch, specially one cut for burning on a fire. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Kids, hot means yes, गरम. बच्चों, अभी क्या चल रहा है? ठंडी चल रही है ना, राइट? तो कैसा खाना खाना चाहिए हमें? यस, गरम खाना खाना चाहिए, जैसे कि हॉट मिल्क, हॉट कॉफ़ी, राइट? तो ये क्या है? ये आग है और आग कैसी होती है? हॉट. तो हमको आग के पास कभी नहीं जाना चाहिए. P-O-D, pod. P-O-D, pod. Pod is a long, narrow, flat part of some plants such as beans and peas that contains the seeds and usually has a thick skin. बच्चों, जो थिक स्किन होती है और उसके अंदर पीस होते हैं, तो जो थिक स्किन होती है उसको क्या कहते हैं? पॉड. D-O-T, डॉट. D-O-T, डॉट. It is a very small round mark. The full stop at the end of the sentence is a dot. जो फुल स्टॉप लगाते हैं सेंटेंस फिनिश होने के बाद उसे डॉट कहते हैं. Fox fox. Fox. Fox is a wild animal. Cot cot. A cot is a bed for a baby with bars or panels round it so that the baby cannot fall out. So kids, like this way you have to do the reading practice of whole page at your home. Kids, now you have learned to read O-sound words, right? Now let's learn to write O-sound words in our English classwork book page number 105. Kids, first we will write today's date 1313-1-2121 13th January 2021. Kids, what is this? This is a dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog. So for alphabet D, make a standing line, go up, make a C curve. For O, make a C curve, then make a reverse C curve. For G, make a C curve, go up, come down standing and make a curve. D-O-G, dog. Again we will write D. D says duh. O. O says O. G. G says G. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Again we will write D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. What is this? This is a pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. So for alphabet P, make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve. For O, make a C curve, then reverse C curve. For T, make a standing line, make a small curve and slipping line. P-O-T, pot. Again we will write P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. What is this? This is a boy. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. So for alphabet B, make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve. For O, make a C curve and then reverse C curve. For Y, make a small slant line, then big slanting line. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. Again we will write B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. What is this? This is a top. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. So for alphabet T, make a standing line, then make a small curve and a slipping line. For O, make a C curve and then reverse C curve. For P, make a standing line, go up, make a reverse C curve. T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Again we will write T-O-P, top. T-O-P, top. Kids, like this way you have to complete writing by yourself in your English class workbook, page number 105. Kids, you also have to finish writing of O sound words in your English homework book, page number 68. Okay, children, tomorrow we will meet again and learn to write some more O sound words in our English classwork book. Till then, keep practicing of reading and writing. Bye bye. Take care.